In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Storyboard in Milanote 2026 step by step. First, open Milanote and start a new board. Click New Board, then choose the Storyboard template if you want a ready-made structure, or pick a blank board if you prefer full control. Either way, give the board a clear name based on your project, like YouTube video Storyboard. Naming up front makes it easy to find and share later, and the template option gives you a helpful grid with placeholders to get moving quickly. Next, set up your story structure. Create a simple sequence with sections such as Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 3, and Ending. Think of each scene as a distinct beat in your narrative. If you selected the template, you'll likely see columns or frames ready to label. On a blank board, add titles or cards to mark each scene. Keep your labels short and consistent so you can scan the entire board at a glance. Now add frames for your visuals. Drag in images that represent each scene. These can be rough sketches, quick screenshots, or reference images. Don't worry about perfection here. Clarity is the goal. Place each image under its scene heading. Consistent sizing helps your board read like a timeline, so try to keep your frames roughly uniform. Under each frame, add a brief description. Include the shot type, such as close-up or wide shot, any important dialogue or voiceover you plan to use, and the purpose of the scene, what the audience should learn or feel. Aim for concise notes that guide filming or design decisions without overwhelming the page. Arrange everything left to right, so it reads like a timeline. Drag your frames into order, and space them evenly to make the flow obvious. This makes it far easier for collaborators to understand pacing and progression at a glance. Add production details next. Note camera movements such as pans or zooms, the transitions you intend to use, and any sound or music cues. These specifics turn a static storyboard into a practical plan for execution. Use arrows and connections to show how scenes relate. Draw links between frames to highlight transitions, callouts, or cutaways. Label connections if needed so the flow is unmistakable. Refine and simplify. Remove any frame that doesn't serve the story, and merge redundant beats. Your storyboard should be clear, purposeful, and easy to follow. Finally, share or present your work. Click Share to collaborate with your team, or switch to presentation mode to walk through the storyboard frame